Here we go. This is a handyman special. Definitely a handyman special. There's so much work to do in here. Guess what's probably not even worth it, but it's mine, so I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna make it worth it. I just gotta make things happen. And that's what we're gonna do. This is freaking nasty up here. Watch me. Something trying to attack me. Jeez. Hope that's not still leaking. Counting on the roof being good. I gotta get these animals out of here. I want to tear that down. That ain't no good. This will be a good part. Nice little section, nice little upstairs here. Good little upstairs. Got a built-in shelf here. That's the roof. That's pretty cool. Watch that first step, it's a doozy. Got going on it. We got a barn out there. That's the roof. Little section we're gonna tear down in the kitchen. Man, that's nasty. Nasty. One fish, two fish. See, there's no foundation. It's just sitting on these blocks every now and then. We need to find out what those blocks are doing. If those blocks are salvageable, or are they sitting in concrete? What's going on with those? Why did they do it like that? Look, the blocks look like they're sitting in location, but this room's getting tore down. So, see if we can back out. Yeah, this room's getting tore down. This room looks like it's already gone. It's the main room. One of the main rooms of the house. Old bathroom. See, look at the foundation. They're all looking like they may be sitting on concrete. And if they are, I can work with that. I can work with that, and I can flip this house. Transform it into something freaking awesome. But if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Man, guys, let me know in the comments. Let me take you outside. Let me know in the comments what you think I ought to do. And I can't hear tear it down, because I'm not tearing it down. I'm gonna do something else. I want to add a room there, going from all the way there to here. Make the outside look good. And take that out right there. I'm wanting to get rid of that whole structure because it doesn't look like it's in good shape. The rest of it looks like it's real decent, but not that section. So I want to take it out and make it much smaller and make that section a bump out right here where that is. So everything kind of matches right there. And then maybe put a porch out here or something. But let me know in the comments what you would do to this house. And like I said, don't tell me tear it down, because we're not tearing it down. We're going to do something to it. How can we make money with this? We're going to show you. What do you got in the comments? Let me know. If you want to see future videos, don't forget to hit subscribe and maybe hit the like button. Thanks.